Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to use CSS with the forums tag. So, obviously, first, if you want to change the background of the thing first, you could just create an ID on the body or create a new CSS thing for the sign up folder, but whichever one you want, I fine with the background color, so I just kept it the same and everything. And the H1 I can't be bothered to change. So yeah, for the forum, obviously you can write forum, you can write forum, that's it, some code either people, forum, then border, 1CQ, whatever that is, blue, and then solid. And then if you want to, that would add a border. You can add a background to the forum. So background, then let's add let's see what snow looks like. The snow color. So if we open this up in the browser page, let's just open that up, and it looks quite good. Obviously, if you change these to blue, the background to blue, the submit button would still be white because it's an image. So if you want to change the submit button, you gotta go into a photo editing software. I use Photo P, and edit it to blue or whatever color. And then what I did is I added so you can say input password and then ID PW. So the whoa, sorry, I don't know why it didn't do the thing. ID and then PW, and then what this will do will make it so the password has an ID. So I did the same thing with text off camera and made the text background blue, this color, and the text color blue. So what we can do, we say hashtag IDs always hashtag, then PW, then brackets, then what we want to do, let's say color, that will make the little dots a different color, so aqua or whatever color you want. And then we can say background color, and then let's say that color. And then can't open a CSS file. I keep doing that, and then open this up, and as you can see, the background is that color, and then if we type, yeah, it's different colors. So yeah, also if you want to change the color of the reset button, do ID equals then reset. You can do this with anything like the numbers. We'll change the color of the numbers. Yeah, but you just can't do it with the type image because you have to change that in photo editing software. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed and peace.